Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new product called Pet Sites AI. We'll explore a demo website created with this software, discuss its features, and break down the pros and cons. If you're interested in creating a professional-looking pet website, stick around because this review is for you. Now, let's look at what Pet Sites AI offers. Essentially, you get to create a professional-looking pet website with the software. The design and layout are quite impressive and resemble what you often see on veterinary websites. This site is much higher in quality than many other drag-and-drop websites I've seen in product launches. It features excellent graphics, well-organized sections, a frequently asked questions section, and an inquiry form for pet-related consultations. You also have separate blog sections and product listings. You can edit the design, change colors, logos, branding, and social media contact links, offering plenty of customization options. This is the starting point with Pet Sites AI, and you can tailor it to suit your needs. Now let's break down the pros and cons. First, the pros: high-quality design. The website layout and design are professional and comparable to many veterinary sites. Customizable: you can easily edit the site to match your branding, including colors, logos, and social media links. Versatile sections. The site includes various sections like FAQs, blog posts, and product listings, which can be useful for different types of content. User-friendly. The drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible even for those with limited web design experience. Now let's talk about the cons. Monetization challenges. The software does not come preloaded with affiliate links or programs, making it difficult for beginners to generate income. Limited affiliate integration. It would be more beneficial if the site linked to well-known pet product affiliates like Amazon. Direct payments. Expecting users to take direct payments for services like vet consultations may not be practical for most beginners. Niche-specific. The site is highly niche-specific, which might limit its usability for broader applications. The main challenge I see with Pet Sites AI is monetization. For a beginner, it's not immediately clear how to turn this website into a profitable venture. It's not built around a specific affiliate program, which is usually a more straightforward way to earn commissions. For instance, if the website came preloaded with affiliate links for pet products, it would make more sense. As it stands, the system expects you to take direct payments for services like vet consultations, which seems impractical for someone just starting. A typical beginner is unlikely to start offering vet services right away. One viable approach is to use this website as a freelancer. You could offer website creation services to vets or people in the pet industry. This seems like a more realistic way to monetize the site. Another potential monetization strategy is to focus on e-commerce and drop shipping. The website has a section for dog food and other products, and you can take payments directly. If you find a drop shipping company in the pet niche, you could sell unique, quirky pet toys and games. These items tend to go viral on social media platforms like TikTok. You could create demo videos on YouTube or TikTok to promote these products, then sell them on your website at a high markup. In summary, while Pet Sites AI offers a high-quality, customizable website, the best way to monetize it may not be immediately apparent for beginners. It might be best suited for freelancers offering website creation services, or those interested in exploring e-commerce and dropshipping in the pet niche. Thanks for checking out my review. If you want to try this product, click the link in the video description below. All the best and speak soon.